fool's gold. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. This is actual fool's gold or yung tinatawag na pyrite. Pero ginagamit din yung term na fool's gold sa maraming ibang pagkakataon when it talks about something that is a terrible investment or sa panahon ngayon tinatawag nating scam. And that is because itong fool's gold na to or pyrite is not as valuable as totoong gold but it fools a lot of people. Kasi imagine nyo na lang sa minahan kung may nakita ka nagsisparkle na ganito, baka akala mo rin ginto na.
All you gotta do is scratch beneath the surface and it's fool's gold.
So you can use it in a sentence and say the charismatic Dan promised investors a handsome return for their money, but it was all fool's gold. So again, not everything that glitters is gold. Minsan, it's fool's gold. If bitin kayo, we have full video lessons on YouTube and we have a playlist ng idiomas dito. Don't forget to follow me for more.